BDC, that is called as the batch data communication. There are two methods. One is called the call transaction and second one is called the session method. Those two methods are used in a BDC program in SAP. In a call transaction method, the data uploading is real time. As soon as we upload the file and execute, one by one the records gets directly updated into the database. In the call transaction method, the error handling is explicit. That is, we have to do the coding to capture the errors record wise. Second is session method. In case of session method, a batch file is created which we can see and process further with T code SM35. In case of batch session method, the error handling is implicit. That is, in the log analysis file, we can see the record wise log. The mode of execution for both the call transaction and the session methods, we can execute the T code by three methods. The first mode is A, that is display all screen. In this mode, system display all the screen. We can observe the data and go on pressing enter button to execute the next step. In case of error handling, mode, system keeps on processing the transaction till it is okay. It will not give any pop-up, but as soon as any errors are there, system will stop the processing on that particular screen. In case of N, that is the background mode, it is done just like a background processing. Even if there are errors, it will not show any error. It will keep the error log in the backend. The steps of BDC are, the very first point is, first we have to do the recording of the transaction code, for which we are making BDC with the T code SHDB. Then once we done with our recording, we have to transfer recording for creation of a program that we can see in the SE38. We have to test the auto-generated program. We can test with both session and call transaction method. Then after these steps, we can create the input file structure. At the end, we want to upload the data in a bulk file, in a bulk. Okay, so for that, we'll be having a file type. We'll maintain a text file. So that text file structure we have to create in the program, and then we have to write the logic to upload that text file into program, and we have to map the internal table fields with the BDC data. Then we can run the BDC. If it is only one time, because in the implementation phase there are many times we require some batch processing only one time. So with only these six steps, our work will done. But if you want to, if we are making some BDCs for a regular basis, which will be required in multiple times, then we can go for the code simplifications. We can add the validations. We can handle we can do the error handling in more deeper way. So this all we'll see in this practice session.